consulting with the council and knowing what your design envelope is, like what you can and can't do. I should have done that much earlier in the process as well, because I went off on a bit of a tangent and was like, oh, I'm just going to get this composting toilet and, you know, all of these other things, and then went, oh, okay, that was a huge waste of time. So, yeah, like figure out what the rules are and talk to the council first, and to actual sustainable experts like Simona and, you know, the people on the 𝐬𝐴𝐵𝐴𝐻𝐻 platform, and make sure they are actually sustainable experts, not people that say they like to, you know, they're kind of, I don't know, they've got like a green stamp on the side of their car or something. Like they have to be like, you know, genuinely, they genuinely have to have demonstrated sustainable builds, and that they're actually doing it, not, oh, this is a project that I can pretend I can be, you know, green with. Yeah, ask them for advice as well.